Namaste, welcome to School Mathematics. Today I have brought here the topic from arithmetic, okay? Whole numbers. In this whole number, we are going to find square and square root of the numbers, okay? And look here, first one. First one I want to show you here is square numbers, okay? Okay, those numbers are known as square numbers which are obtained by multiplying itself. Look here, right here, the square of 1 equals what will be 1 square. 1 square means there 1 into 1, it will be here 1, okay? And similarly, if you want to find the square of 2, then we have tried it 2 square. It means 2 into 2, it will be here 4, okay? And similarly, we can find other number also similarly, okay? The square of 3 equals to, it will be here 3 square. Then we have tried 3 into 3 equals to 9, okay? Like this, if you find the numbers, these obtained numbers are called square numbers, okay? Now look here, children. When there is given, suppose there is given 225, okay? And when it is asked to find the square root of 225, we can do this by two ways here, okay? First one is that prime factorization, okay? We have to do prime factorization at the side like this, okay? 225. And let's factorize this. 3 7s are 21, here is 1, and remaining, and here will be 15 now. And now 3 5s are 15. Now again you can factorize by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 1 remaining here. 1 goes here, okay? It will be 15 and 3 5s are 15. Now 5 times 25, okay? And after this, when it is asked to find square root, then write here now square root of 225 equals, right, like this together. And inside this root symbol, this is square root, okay, symbol. And here you write here 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Then we need to write like this together. Right here 3 square and here is 5 square. And from this 3 square, okay, here this is also square root. This square root and this square will be cancelled, and here will remain here 3 into 5. Answer will come here 15. Okay, this square root will be cancelled with this square, okay? This square root is cancelled with this square. Then here is remaining 3 into 5, that means 15. This is the way to find square root, okay, of the numbers by prime factorization. This method is called prime factorization. Prime factorization. Okay, this is the method to find the square root of the numbers by prime factorization. Okay, now look here, children. As I told you, this here most of the time they feel they feel difficulties and they do mistake here also. Here is nothing means here is 2, okay? This order of the square root is 2 here. This root symbol 2. This 2 and the square will be cancelled, and there is remaining 3 into 5. Answer is 15, okay? And as we know 15 it is 225, okay? This is the way to find square root by prime factorization. Look, now I am going to show you here how to find square root by division method, okay? Square root by division method, okay? Square root by division method, okay? And for this division, we have to use this table, okay? 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja, okay, 16, 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36, 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64, 9 9 ja 81. This table only we have to use here, okay? Now look here, children. I am going to take here one number, okay? One square number I am taking here, 441, okay? And when you apply this square root by division method, we need to write this number 441 inside this, okay, line, okay? Now we have to make the pair, first one method, okay? First make pair from, okay, and here is only one digit, that's why we can add here one more zero, okay? One zero here in front, 4 and 0, 4 means same. There will be no change in this number, okay? If you add a zero in front one, just we are making the pair, okay? Now look here, children, here is 4 and here is 4 coming, one is there, 2 table, one is 2 to the, another is 8 8 is 64, but this is not appropriate, that's why we have to use this here. 2 times right here 4, and we have to write a minus, and here we have to write add, okay? 2 plus 2 we have to write a 4, 2 2s are 4 right here, okay? And for the quotient right here 2, okay? For the answer, okay, this is the answer. And now it will be cancelled here, and when we drop here, this both the numbers will come together down, okay? Here 41. Now look here, children, here is 41, okay? And what is the last digit here? There is no any other digit to drop here down. This is the last one. That's why 1 will come either multiplying by 1 into 1 or 9 9 is 81. Okay, it is bigger than 41. That's what we have to use here now. 1 1 only. That's why right here 1 1 okay. Right here addition you write down, it is 42. Okay, but its multiplication you have to write here 1 1 1, 1 4 4. Okay, and here will be minus and it will be cancelled here. Okay, we divided by 1 right here for the answer question. Okay, that's why from here what happened, the square root of this is the square root of 441. The square root of 441 equals to what is there? 21. This is the answer for this question. Okay, and now look, children, I want to solve one more question for your, okay, easiness. Look here, I want to take here 625. Okay, when it is asked to find the square root of 625, what to do? Look here, draw here line as I told you before one, and here make the pair from, okay, right to left one. Okay, this is one pair and here is another pair, and there is no another digit, that's why we have add here 1 0. Okay, now let's divide the 6. Okay, 6, that's why which one is appropriate here? Here we appropriate this 2 2s are 4. Okay, right here 2 2s are 4. Okay, and here we minus, we have to add this and write here 4, leave here some space to write one more digit. Okay, and it is 2 now, and when we drop this pair both comes together down, it is 25. Okay, we divided by 2, that's why I write here 1 2 for the quotient. Now here is 5 last. Okay, there is no any other digit to drop here, this 5, that's why here is which one table? Here is 5 coming, 1 5 5 is 25. That's why right here 5, and here also write 5 for the answer, here also write 5 for the addition and multiplication. 5 5 is 25, 5 and 2 carry over, 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 2 22. We multiply this and write here. Okay, 45 and 5 multiply and write here, and subtract this, it is cancel all, wherever it will be here, and it will be here now 50. Okay, when we add this 45 plus 5, it will come here 50, and it will come here, and this and relation look here, 45 plus 5, it will come here 50. Okay, and here is 25. it will be exactly double of this answer. Okay, the right answer here, therefore, square root of 625 equals to, its answer is 25. Okay, the square root of 625 is 25. Okay, this is the process to find square root by division method. Okay, I hope you understood. If any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, and please, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel also. Okay, and share with friends also. Thank you very much. Keep practicing mathematics. Practice makes the student perfect. Thank you very much.